is also wet in the west. A tropical low that was once a tropical cyclone watch off the Pilbara coastline, providing some very heavy falls across that particular district. A severe weather warning issued on Wednesday for heavy rainfall across that Pilbara coast, and also that did lead to a flood watch out for that district. Port Hedland, an absolute soaking between 5 and 8 a.m, picking up 94 millimetres of rain. You can see the storms popping up just to the south of Port Hedland across Wednesday afternoon. Paraburdoo, you picked up 6.2 millimetres of rain between 9 a.m and 8 p.m, and between those hours, just after that, very heavy falls in the morning. Port Hedland picking up 19.2 millimetres of rain. Whitnam, you picked up 30 millimetres between 9 a.m and 8 p.m. So some heavy falls about. Now the heavy falls will continue as that low does approach the coastline. You can see that indicated by that red shading stretching across that Pilbara coastline and even stretching even further down south. Now this particular tropical low pressure system is actually even stretching down moisture into the southern districts of Western Australia and also the interior. We did have a severe thunderstorm warning issued on Wednesday, particularly for the Gascoyne and the Goldfields for heavy rainfall, damaging winds and also large hailstones. You can see on the radar there the activity in between that interior parts of this state, and also even stretching down a few showers down to the southern coastal districts. The wet weather will continue across Western Australia on Wednesday. You can see some very heavy falls developing ahead of a trough across the interior, stretching right down into those southeastern districts and across that southern coastline just to the east of Esperance into the earlier hours of Thursday. And up in the top end, the monsoon has well and truly redeveloped. It is a weak one, but it is producing showers and storms across that top end, particularly even in the eastern districts and just to the south of Darwin itself across the later hours of Wednesday. Darwin between 9 a.m and 8 p.m, you picked up 19 millimetres of rain, and just to the south there in Dum and Marie picking up 8.8 millimetres of rain. It'll be wet across the top end on Wednesday evening and also into Thursday. You can see that monsoon trough not going anywhere into the coming day or so, and we can expect the wet weather to be stretching across that northern part of the Northern Territory.